Now we are moving toward joins. Okay, so joins are basically, we all might have heard about is that we want to join more than two data frames. So here I have here created their two data frames, df1 and df2. For the first, I have created a column customer ID where I have randomly chosen or basically sequentially chosen 1 to 6 as a customer ID. In the product, I have created another column product where I have created a repetition of trimmer 3 times and repetition of radio 3 times. Similarly here, I have created the customer ID 24610, 4 rows, and I have created repetition of state as New York for 2 times and repetition of California for 2 times. Let me run this, it will make more sense. The output of the first data frame is that I have 126 as customer ID. Three of my customers have purchased trimmer as I have created here repetition. 3 of my customers have purchased radio. Here you can see. Second data frame, I have created 4 customer IDs, 2, 4, 6, 10. See it here. State, I have created repetition of New York 2 times, California 2 times. So 2 times I have California, 2 times New York. Okay. So this is my data frame creation. Left join. What left join does is it contains all the rows from the left table and retains matching rows from the right column. So let me see what it does. So you see that for the customer ID 1, we have here customer ID 1 which has bought a trimmer. Okay, but in the second data frame we do not have any entry for the customer ID, so it prints out NA. Okay, similarly for the customer ID 2, we have this particular person has created a trimmer and has an entry into my second data frame also, so it print outs here. Okay, so it basically all the rows from the left matching rows from the matching data from the right hand side table, and it prints out like this. Whichever are non-matching, it shows NA. Okay, so basically all the records from your left side, left data table, matching from the right data table. That is what left join is. Now right join. So right join is basically just opposite of the left join. What it does, all the records from the right table matching from the left. Here if you see that I have all the data from the right table, and you see that it is also there in my left table. So if you see in this first column or first table, I have customer ID 246. Okay, and those are also present in my right this particular column. So 246 are here, 246, and in the right hand side data frame you see that we have 246. Okay, but in the right hand side we have 10 which is California. Okay, but I do not have 10 in my left data table, that is my df1. So what it does, it prints out California but shows NA here. Reason being that this data is not available in my left hand data set. So what it does, all the records from the left hand table and matching records from the right hand table. Okay, I know that I'm scrolling and it might be hard for you. You can just go back a little and understand it. Inner join basically provides you the matching rows from both the tables. So you see that 246 are there in both the tables, both the data frames. So if you go over here, then we have 246 in the first, we have 24610 in the second data frame. 246 are the common data, and it has all the rows, all the data in here. So it basically provides, so it inner zone is basically provides you the matching rows which are available in both the data frames. It if it is not there, it will not provide you the in the output. It provides only the matching records in both the data frame, on the left hand side, on the right hand side. I mean, whatever you are joining, it provides the matching records. Okay, anti-join is a very interesting join, and it basically provides you non-matching in the second data frame. So what it does is that it in the df1 it says that okay, data frame 1 I have, and it will provide you whatever is not matching in the df2. So you see that we do not have 135 in my second data frame. Out of this, I do not have 135 in my second data frame. You see that it is missing. So what it does, it provides me the 135, record 135 from the data frame 1. What it does, takes data frame 1, and says whatever in data frame 1 is not matching in data frame 2. Okay, whatever is matching it will not provide you. It is done by innerjoin. It is just opposite. It is saying that I will provide you only what which is available in data frame 1 but not in data frame 2. So I do not have 135 in data frame 2. It says okay, let me print that. And so basically it is anti-join.